Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we're going to make just a quick little DIY bird feeder. So let's get started. I'm using a plastic square bowl for the lid because I don't want the bird seed to get wet. I got this off of Amazon. This is a little chicken feeder. This one came from Tractor Supply, and it's got painted on it some little butterflies and some flowers, and then I'm using a jar. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our painted covers, and I did 2 of them. Now, I'll leave the link for this in the description of the video. I did use some glass cutting oil, and that I'll leave in the description, and a link to my bits that I used because I went ahead and did this off of camera because it's loud, and it does take a little bit, or it took a little bit from me. I've done very little cutting with glass, and so I'm still practicing. But what I did, I took these special little bits. I started with a small one, and then I gradually went to the next size up. Then, let's see, there's 2 sets that I ordered. Okay, this one, it is, hollow in the middle. But I went to that size, and then I went on to the next size. The size that I would need. And that's going to depend on what size of a bolt that you're going to use. I only had the big size, so I had to go big. Go big or go home, right? Okay, so I did all this off of video. It's loud and it is time consuming. Now, I put too much pressure on this one, and it did bust. I did not get cut. I did cut my finger, but it was from cleaning up the mess. This one actually broke on the floor, and I was just cleaning up the mess from this one when I cut my finger. So just be careful. I did not hold them while drilling. And that one I had on the floor pushing too heavy, I think. So anyway, I'm still learning that. All right, so get you a hole in the middle of your plastic. It's up to you how you get that hole. There's options. You can use all kind of different tools. Wood burner if you want to. Hot glue gun. I've heard of all kind of people using different things. So whatever way that you want to get your hole in your plastic, you do you. And so I've got this bolt pushed up high because my hand won't hardly fit in there. So we're going to try this again. Okay, we got that on there. All right, this I can probably put between here. My needle nose pliers and twist it. I thought the mouth of it was going to be big enough for my hand to go in, and I don't think these are going to be long enough to. Let's see. I can get them just like this. Let's see. All right. Now we can spin this down. And then I even brought some bird seed. Forgot my funnel though, didn't I? Just let it fall where it may. I'm always looking for more bird feeders. And y'all, that's got to go upside down. It kept most of it in there. So y'all just don't fill up the bottom until you get it on. How simple was that? I wanted it as full as I could get it though. So we're going to go outside and we're going to hang it and see if our birds come to it. But this was less than $4. I think $3.86 or $3 something. So it was less than $4. Get you a jar, and then this was $1. I'm not sure how much the bolts cost, but I thought this was a fun little bird feeder because the last bird feeder I got was like $18. So this one's by far a lot less. So let's go hang it and see if the birds like it.